Hello people, welcome to Francis World YouTube channel. So it's been a while that I've not been on YouTube. However, this is my first vlogging. The reason I'm vlogging today is because I'm traveling from Bangalore to Vizag via Duronto Express, that is in a first AC train. Usually people are lucky who has the first AC trains directly from one city to another city. I don't have that option. I have to travel till Vijayanagaram, and from Vijayanagaram I have to go to Vizag. So today I'm vlogging and I will show you the procedure how you can carry your pets in the first AC. You can still carry your pets in second and third AC also, but you are not allowed to take the dogs with you in the second and third AC. You have to put them in the guard room, and in the guard room you can hardly put only two dogs. Let's say people who are more people traveling with their pets, cannot everyone's pets cannot be accommodated. So first comes first serve kind. So that is risky. So first AC, you'll have your own chamber, you have your cabin or a coupe where you can shut the door and you have your own privacy. Because other passengers might feel uncomfortable if you're carrying your pets with you, because everyone is not an animal lover. So usually if I'm traveling alone also, I travel coupe, which is like two berths, and I have my own room. So I carry my pets. If not, today we are like four people traveling, me, my family. So four of us, we have booked a cabin, and we'll have four berths in one kind of room, and we can shut the door, and we can carry our pets also here. And my dad is sitting in front, and there's another cabin with dad and mom are coming. If flights allow the dogs, then you can carry them, but usually because of COVID, a lot of things are not happening. So yeah, so right now I'm going to the railway station. It's always preferable to or advisable to go at least a couple of hours before, because you have to go to parcel and get the dogs tickets also. We got a little late. Let's see how it goes. I will keep you posted. Just keep watching the video. I'll give you all the procedures. So we are going to the parcel office, and I'm sorry I couldn't record in the parcel office because there were authorities sitting and there was a huge line as well, so I didn't want to disturb them. So once we reached the railway station, we went to the parcel office and we got the tickets for my both the dogs, and then we came back and see my brother is sanitizing the cabin once again, though the train is sanitized, but we for more precautions we did that. So this is how the cabin looks like. So we booked the entire four berths. So hi guys, so we have reached. So this is how the cabin looks like. I'm sure a lot of people know. Just like any other train, however, we have our own security by we have a door which is closed, which we can close, and we usually get breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, all the meals, veg and non-veg. So I usually don't carry food for the dogs because I order more rice, and then I order non-veg meal so that I can give the chicken or egg to my dogs, and I eat veg meal. So this is how I plan, but because there is, due to COVID, there is no food available, and water is also sold. Earlier they used to give us water bottles, they used to give bed sheets, blankets, pillows, everything. So we had to carry for ourselves. That's the reason luggage is more. Otherwise traveling by first AC is more like most simplest way. It's just that you have to go to the parcel office to get the tickets of the dogs. Usually carrying two dogs, it would cost around 600. I guess because of COVID it has gone up to 1300, both the tickets, like 1400 approximately. So this is how it is, and I will vlog throughout my journey. I couldn't vlog in parcel office because there are authorities sitting there, so I didn't want to take the videos. So we had no trouble taking the tickets. The moment we entered, they did not ask us Aadhaar card or Xerox copies of anything. Earlier they used to ask. They just checked the message on the phone, took my Aadhaar card number, and then they gave us the tickets. So this is how the ticket looks like, the parcel ticket. I'm not sure if it is mentioned anywhere pets, but I got a message saying, yeah, here horse, dog, it is mentioned there, all the animal names. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. I'll vlog throughout. So we had to carry food, we had to carry blankets, pillows, so that's the reason the luggage has become more. Otherwise, you know, it is very easy to travel in first AC. And we made a mistake that, you know, we had to come to the first platform, platform number 1, but we got on at platform number 6, so we had to come here. It's little exhausting, but finally we are half an hour early. Yeah. So this is lower berth. I'm going to sleep with my pets, my Riva, you all know, Precious, and me. My mom will be taking the other lower berth, and the upper berths are taken by my dad and my brother. I'm not vlogging them here because they're not comfortable coming on videos. So if you can see that, there's my brother talking to Riva. That's my mom. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. That's my dad. So, Precious is also saying hi. Riva is also saying hi. Hi. So yeah, so we had cooked some lemon rice. That's how the South Indians, I think, they travel. Lemon rice is the best way, where you know, it will be like, it doesn't get spoiled, so we can have that throughout the day. And once we get done, we have to have a lot of buttermilk, because lemon rice is, again, it produces heat in the body. So that's all for now. I'll be vlogging throughout. Okay guys, see you in soon. అయిపోయి ఇంకా ఇంత త్వరగా ట్రైన్ ఎక్కం.